Good morning, it's Martin from Australia Towbars Performance. Today we've completed a genuine Westfalia OEM Towbar and integrated dedicated wiring and module install on a brand new 2019 Tiguan, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So this is an R-line version of the Tiguan. The Towbar sits nicely here behind the bumper. It's very easy to attach it and remove it. All you need to do is pull on the lever and turn it. Then the Towbar drops, and the wiring, the 13-pin wiring socket, that folds inside the bumper, and that gives you a nice and clean look from the back. You would never say that this car is equipped with a Towbar. If you want to attach it back in, all you have to do, locate a hole, and it sits there perfectly fine. The Towbar has got no movements in the ball. When you're moving it over, pretty much the car moves, and when you want to tow something, the socket drops down from the bumper. It's a 13-pin socket. You can get the 13-pin to 7-pin adapter. And so this has been completed today on a brand new Volkswagen Tiguan. If you need for your Towbar needs, please contact Australia Towbars Performance, and we can try to help. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.